Welcome back everyone. So here we are with our new topic, that is triple angle formula. In the previous sessions we have learned the compound angle formulas, that is sin A plus B, cos A plus B and tan A plus B. We have also learned about double angle formulas, and that is sin 2A, cos 2A and tan 2A. These are the things that we learnt in the previous classes, and now our main agenda for this lecture will be to calculate the values of, when I say triple angle, what I mean is sin 3A, cos 3A and tan 3A. These are primarily the triple angle formulas. So let us calculate sin 3A firstly. Now in order to calculate sin 3A, what I am going to do, I am going to divide this 3A in sin 2A plus A, and as you can see we have the formula of sin A plus B as sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So this can be rewritten as sin A cos B and B will be replaced by A, and then plus cos A sin B. I hope it is making sense to you. Now from here I can expand this cos 2A. See, this sin 2A can be expanded as well to sin A cos A into cos A, and then this cos 2A can be expanded as well. See, what we are trying to do, we are trying to convert each one of these cosines in sine only, right? So we have cos 2A as 1 minus 2 sin square A. So let's put that as well, 1 minus 2 sin square A into sin A. Now if I simplify this more, what I will be getting is cos square A, and then plus, if I open this bracket, this will be what? Sin A minus 2 sin cube A. Alright, now proceeding forward, this would be what? 2 sin A, and then we have cos square A. Cos square can be written as 1 minus sin square A plus sin A minus 2 sin cube A. Alright, now what I am going to do, I am just going to open this bracket. So this will be 2 sin A minus 2 sin cube A plus sin A minus 2 sin cube A. Further, I can see this is what? 2 sin A and this is sin A. So this will result, the resulting expression would be 3 sin A, and here I have minus 2 sin cube A and minus 2 sin cube A. So this will be minus 4 sin cube A. So this will be, my dear students, will be the expression of sin 3A. So I have finally reached to one of the formulas, that is sin 3A is equals to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Now let's calculate the formula of cos 3A. So we have calculated the formula of sin 3A. Now let's calculate the formula of cos 3A. Now again I am going to do the same process. Cos 3A would result in what? Cos 2A plus A, and then again I have the formula for cos A plus B as cos A cos B, that is cos 2A cos A minus sin A sin B, right. Now this cos 2A can be written as, now I want everything in terms of cos only, right. So let's try to convert whatever I can. Cos 2A can be written as 2 cos square A minus 1, and then I have cos A, and then sin 2A can be written as what? 2 sin A cos A, 2 sin A cos A, and already we had sin A. Now let's open this bracket, and what I will be getting is 2 cos cube A minus cos A, and then we have minus of, see, this will be what, sin A and sin A, that is sin square A, and instead in place of sin square A I can put what, 1 minus cos square A, and cos A will remain as it is. So this right here expression will become sin square A, right, and sin square A can be put as 1 minus cos square A. Now let's open the brackets again. So this is what, minus, see, this is 2 cos A, so this will be minus 2 cos A minus, and then minus minus plus 2 cos cube A, right. And now let's just, this will be 2 cos cube A and 2 cos cube A, so 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. This will be my expression of cos 3A. I hope it is making sense to you. So till now we have learned the formula of sin 3A and cos 3A. I hope you are following. And now let's calculate the formula for tan 3A. Now tan 3A can be written as sin 3A upon cos 3A, and the formula for sin 3A is what, 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A upon 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A, right. Now what I can do, I am just taking sin common from the numerator and denominator. I am taking cos common. So what I will be remaining with is 3 minus 4 sin square A upon 4 cos square A minus 3. I hope it is making complete sense to you. Now what I am going to do, I am going to, see, this will become what, tan theta, tan A. So what I am remaining with this bracket. Now what I am going to do is dividing by cos square A in numerator and denominator, right, in the bracket, right. I am referring to over here. Now this right here will turn up as tan A, and over here, see, if I divide 3 by cos square A, so it will turn out as 3 sec square A, and then minus, if sin square A divided by cos square A, so it will turn out as tan square A. I hope it is making sense to you. Then again 4 into cos square A divided by cos square A will give me 4 only, and then minus 3 upon cos square A will give me 3 sec square A. I hope it is clear to you. Now we have one identity as 1 plus tan square A is equals to sec square A. So let's try to use that over here. This sec square A can be rewritten as 3 plus 3 tan square A minus, this will be 4 tan square A upon 4 minus, this sec square A again can be rewritten as 1 plus tan square A. So 3 plus 3 tan square A. Now simplifying this, what I will be getting is, what I am going to do, tan, let's take this tan A inside this bracket. So this will be what, 3 tan A, and then this will be what, 3 tan square A minus 4 tan square A, that is tan square A, and then multiplied by A. So this will be my tan cube A, and then upon 4 minus 3, that is 1 plus 3 tan square A, and that would be my formula for tan 3A. I hope it is making sense to you.